Hello, today we will guide you through how to split by shares in Splitwise. To begin, open the Splitwise app on your device. Once the app loads, head to the Activity section. This is a useful place to review recent transactions and expenses, and it also helps you locate an expense that you want to update. If you do not yet have any expenses or activities showing, go ahead and tap Add Expenses. This will let you create a new expense first, which you can then edit to adjust how it is divided. When the expense form appears, enter the needed information. Take your time here and make sure the details are correct, since the amount, participants, and description all affect how the expense will be split later. After you finish creating the expense, tap on the sample expense you just created or the expense you want to work with. This opens the full expense details, where you can make changes to the split settings. Next, tap Edit. This puts the expense into editing mode, so you can update how the total is shared among the people involved. Look for the current split setting, which may display something like Split Equally. Tap on that option to change it. From here, tap Equally first. This opens the menu of available split methods and helps confirm that you are in the correct place to adjust the expense type. Then tap Unequally. This is typically the next option used when you want more control over how an expense is divided, and it leads you toward other custom split methods. After that, tap By Percentage. This is the option you will use when splitting by shares because it allows you to assign portions of the total in a more flexible way instead of using a strict equal split. In many cases, shares-based splitting is handled through these custom split options, so this is the section you want to access when changing away from the default setup. As a helpful tip, before saving any changes, double-check that the total still matches the expense amount and that each participant's portion reflects what you intend. Small review steps like this can prevent confusion later, especially in shared groups. Once you have reached the by percentage area, you are in the right place to continue customizing the split for your expense, and that's how to get to the split settings in Splitwise and start changing an expense from an equal split to a custom one.